Welcome to our final video on how to supercharge your sales with System Surveyor. Thanks for making it to the end of the series. I truly hope that you found the information that I've shared helpful as you're out talking with prospective customers about how you can help them address their security concerns. Before we wrap up, I want to touch on a few of the key ideas from our series. Number one, ask for a floor plan before going on site and load it into System Surveyor while you're at your office. And number two, manage the meeting with your customer for the best outcome. You're the expert. Number three, use System Surveyor to gain consensus with visual collaboration even before you get to a proposal. Number four, once you have the solution, get alignment on the price using our Budget Estimator feature. And number five, confirm the plan with a proposal and be sure to include the layout report from System Surveyor. I'm confident that these ideas can help you save valuable sales time and gain confidence with your customers so you can win more business. We've heard this feedback from hundreds of System Surveyor users. I'd also like to encourage you to become a certified System Surveyor user. Check out our website for our certification program. One final thing before I go. Don't forget to spin your sales flywheel by asking for referrals. Ask your customer if they know anyone that may be facing some of the same issues that your customer has. Studies have shown that customers are most likely to make a referral immediately after making a decision to buy. So don't miss that opportunity. Now, taking my own advice, I would like to ask you for a referral. If you found benefit from using System Surveyor, please tell a colleague, your boss, a manufacturer partner, or a software provider about us. Your support allows us to develop even more features and functionality that will help you save time and win more business. Thank you for joining me on this video series. I truly hope it was helpful. Please connect with me on LinkedIn with a message to let me know your thoughts on this video series. Happy surveying.